If you are exploring Shakespeare with your students, we have a treat for you. Drama Notebook has taken some of Shakespeare's most beloved and student-friendly plays, and we've hired real Shakespearean actors to just tell the story. We know that Shakespeare was writing more than 400 years ago, and the language can seem antiquated and it can be a barrier. But we know that the stories and the themes and the characters and the ideas are as alive today as ever. So, let's just learn the stories. What a great way to introduce your students to the bard. So, how can you use these videos? Well, if you are teaching, working on scenes, directing a Shakespeare play, it's a great refresher for you, or even a way to learn the story. Another thing is that you can share them with your students. You can put it on and play it so that your students become familiar with the stories. So, we hope that you enjoy some Shakespeare storytelling.